YouTube पर आपने रंगोली की बहुत सारी वायरल वीडियोस तो देखी होंगी और देखकर यूं ही छोड़ दी होंगी क्योंकि वो इतनी मुश्किल होती है कि कोई बना ही नहीं पाता। तो हम लेकर आ रहे हैं एक नहीं, दो नहीं, तीन नहीं, पूरी 4 रंगोली की वीडियो जो कि बहुत इजीली कोई भी बना सकता है। तो जल्दी से वीडियो को 50,000 लाइक करो, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो। स्टार्ट करते हैं वीडियो।
Red eyes, strobe lights moving across the walls. You're looking like a movie star, but I don't know just what you are. Seems like you're type to be on the floor. You're looking for a kind of queen, the baddest one you've ever seen. You're shining bright as crystal, moving like a twister. Ooh, I'm swaying to the hips, boy, loving every disco. Ooh, so you say you're loving somebody else, that I am only for the night. Yeah, you say you're gone and still you're in my bed. You're loving how I read your mind. So you say, so you say, so I play, I don't love you anyway. So you say, so you say, so I play, I don't love you anyway. I don't love you anyway. Stay low, swing high, move me across the floor. You've got me in a kind of dream, the baddest one.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me, I swear. You would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me, I swear. You would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. It's like the two of, it's like the two of, it's like the two of, they're golden. It's like the two of, it's like the two of.
I've been waiting for someone to give me help. All I'm asking for is just some space and some time, then I'll be alright. I've been having thoughts in my mind I can't get out. Tell me things I can't say myself, from you and nobody else. Everything is out of my sight. This is all so new to me. I can do it all in your way. Say all the things that you say. I can do it all in one night. When I go out, the light doesn't shine on me. I fade out. It's all so new to me. I need you, someone to show me the way. The light doesn't shine on me. Shine on me, shine on me.
यार ये रंगोली डिजाइन तो बहुत ही इजी थे। हम DIY क्वीन वालों का तो काम ही यही है कि मुश्किल से मुश्किल चीजें आपको आसानी से सिखा सकें। तो जल्दी से वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो और हैप्पी दिवाली इन एडवांस। बाय बाय।
To breathe, yeah, I need that.